So today I'm going to take you all on a journey of how I made these delicious juices for a detox cleanse that I'm going to be doing. And here you can see I used the Breville Juice Fountain Plus to do all of my extractions that you'll be seeing in this video. So we have some organic Fuji apples, Granny Smith apples, we have some beets, ginger, cucumbers, we have carrots, celery, spinach, kale. I also have some lemons and a pineapple as well as oranges. I started off by just doing some minor prep work. I cut my oranges in half as well as any apples that I had, just so that they could fit into the juicer. I peeled the oranges as well as any lemons that I had, and I left the skin on for everything else. The first juice I chose to make was just plain celery juice. All you need for it is celery, so let's get to it. And here's what the final product looks like. Moving on to a green spinach juice I made using Granny Smith apples, celery, spinach, cucumbers. I used ginger as well as lemons. So I actually got a lot more than I was expecting from this one, but the more the merrier, right? So if the green spinach juice didn't sound appetizing to you, you are more than welcome to swap it out with this one using kale, Granny Smith apples, celery, pineapple, and again the ginger and lemon that was used in the other one. Next I made a super orange juice. And here's the final product. If you don't think that you'll like this one, stay tuned. Here we have a sweet carrot juice. So if you're not a fan of the ingredients in the last one, feel free to swap it out with this. This last one I call Heartbeat. It has Fuji apples, lemons, beets, and ginger. So there you have it, and now I'm going to get these in the fridge, get them cold, and start my detox.